Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Apecoin video update for Friday. And yeah, so here we are, and let's talk about this one. I am on the 4 hour time frame right off the bat, and I'm going to tell you what is going on. So what you see right now is two things. First of all is a bearish pattern and a bullish pattern as well. But in my opinion, the bearish pattern might play out, okay, because what you see right over here, this is known as the evening star. And if you don't know anything about the evening star, let's do a quick Google if you're new to the channel again. And let's go here and do the evening star candlestick. And once you go into the Google, you're going to see this one, and from there you're going to see the green candle, the doji in the middle, and the red candle, and you can see a downtrend actually continue. So before the downtrend actually happens, you can see one or two, three candles can be red, can be green actually before going to the downside. So potentially you're doing the same thing. Okay, so if I do zoom in here, it's like you're mirroring that three evening star right there, and then a little bit of a greenish to the upside, and then potentially start to roll to the downside. Okay, the only way to invalidate this bearish pattern is going to be right over here, which is going to be from cross the high there of $27. If you start to cross the $27, take it out, then you're invalidating the bearish pattern. Okay, so from there you might be having potential targets to the upside. So let's go on to the daily and let's look how the daily looks like. Yeah, so be careful on the daily, you might end up making in a hanging man. So if you don't know what a hanging man looks like, again, let's go to the Google and let's do a hanging man. And this is a bearish pattern that you must be careful of. So this is how it looks like. So something like this. Do you see that? You make some nice good green candles, and then you make one red candle which is hanging, like a hanging man, potentially. That's what it means. Or it looks like a hammer, but in an uptrend. Okay, so when you make that hammer in an uptrend, that's bearish, and you have a nice good chance of actually rolling down to the downside. Okay, so technical targets have been met. If I actually go into the weekly, I did tell you about the three rising methods in the previous videos as well, which was this was a three rising methods, and that was a bullish pattern on the weekly time frame. This one right over there, and you can even make the fact that this was your like some sort of a bull flag as well. So if you do consider this as your bull flag, then it might be potentially that you've already met the technical targets to the upside. So what I'm going to take is the top to the bottom right over here, just like that, place it there, and from wherever you break in, I don't really think that you met the technical target. It seems like it's taking you a lot farther to the 100. No, not the 100. This is okay. By the looks of things, it does really take you very high to the $150 level. Can it actually do that? That would be unbelievable. Okay, but that's a little bit unrealistic at this point of time because of how Bitcoin is behaving. But anyways, just focus on the near short term right now, because on the short term it's like potentially you're putting in some bearish patterns. So let's see, can you take out the 27? Can you take out the all-time high as well? Because that's where the all-time high really is as your resistance. You can see one touch right over here, and you're trying to make in one touch over there. If you break out of it, then you might be potentially heading towards the $30 as well. Okay, so it's all about breaking the $27 to continue and hold at the $27. Not make a fake out and then start to drop to the downside. Be careful of the fake outs as well. So that's it for Ape video update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.